everyone, for this one we are taking this colorful sheet of the paper and we are folding it diagonally. After that we are making another fold. Now you just have to make a lining with the help of the pencil and you just have to trim it down with the help of the scissors. Now just open it. See how beautiful this turns to be. Now we are making some of the lines with the help of the ruler and you can fill it with some of the markers and some of the bright colors, and you can see with the help of my finger I am bending it towards the downward direction so that it will give a more realistic look. At the center I am taking this earbud and attaching it with the help of the glue gun. Let's move further. Try to make this cute little heart. For this one you may require the disposable cup. You just have to take a marker and you just have to build the windows and some of the doors as shown here. Now with the help of the marker you just have to make the grass in the apartment area. This is very cool and it's very good. Also at the top you just have to place this circularly bended sheet of the paper. Here we are going to show you how we can create these ice cream cones. You just have to take the square sheet of the paper, you just have to fold it, then again make some more folds. You can see a kind of a cone shape is to be created. Now you just have to make the folds more clear, and once you are done with it you just have to fold them again, and once all these folds are ready you just have to make the linings of the cone holder, that is the wafer actually, and after that make some more dots. Let's move further. Try to make this type of the flower plant. For this one you just have to take the circularly cut down the green sheet of the paper and you just have to fold it. You have to repeat this process for the other folds that you have already trimmed. One after the another you just have to fix them with the help of the stapler pen, and after that you just have to open it down. This is very easy activity. It's very less time consuming. Moreover, it's best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 8 to 9. Let's move further and try to make some of the fruits. First we are going to show you how we can create this watermelon. For this you have to take the green sheet of the paper, you just have to trim it down into the circular shape. After that you just have to place the red and the green one and you just have to insert a ice cream stick so that you can hold it. Now it's the time to trace down some of the seeds. Let's move further. Try to make this dustpan and the broom out of this small sheet of the paper. First you just take the square sheet of the paper that's 14 into 14 centimeter in size. After that fold it, create the creases as apparent on your screen. Just pause the video and follow the each step sequentially. Once you have created this type of the creases and the folds, you just have to unfold them again, and after that with the help of your fingers you just have to make them in the proper position and fix them properly there as shown here. This activity is very simple, it's very easy, it's best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 7 to 8. Now it's time to make the handle for this dustpan that you can make with the help of the paper again. Now take another sheet of the paper circular in shape, trim it down at the center, and you just have to open it from one end. After that fix it properly using the glue. This is actually the broom that we are working on. Thank you for watching.